Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Jones and welcome to my course, Implementing and Performing Risk Management with ISO IEC 27005. I am a data security officer and information security and risk enthusiast. In this course, we are going to arm you with an internationally accepted and practical framework for orchestrating information security risk management in your organization. Some of the major topics that we will cover include defining risk criteria to evaluate and treat risk, conducting risk assessment to analyze threats and vulnerabilities in business processes and assets, continually monitoring and improving your risk management framework, and we'll walk through the ISO 27005 standard so you can better understand the value of this widely accepted framework. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and blueprint to establish and coordinate an information security risk management program. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with fundamental information security principles, including understanding common threats to confidentiality, integrity, and availability, and having basic knowledge of information security risk will be helpful. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn information security risk management with the Implementing and Performing Risk Management with ISO IEC 27005 course at Pluralsight.